Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm so happy you're here with us because today's topic is super helpful for anyone who wants to grow their vocabulary faster. And of course, I'm here with Tom, who always makes learning fun. How are you doing today, Tom?
Hey, Anna. Hey, listeners. I'm doing great, and honestly, I'm really excited about this topic. Vocabulary is something every learner wants to improve, and today we're sharing some of the easiest and most powerful tricks to learn new words fast. These are tricks I wish I knew back when I started learning English because they would have saved me so much time.
Same here. When I first learned English, I used to sit at my desk for hours with a notebook full of random words. I memorized them like a robot, and then I forgot most of them the next day. It was so frustrating.
Oh, yes, I did that too. I memorized words for tests, passed the test, then completely forgot everything after 1 week. But the moment I started using smarter techniques, stuff like pictures, associations, stories, and context, my memory improved like crazy.
Exactly. And that's our first key point today. Your brain remembers things better when they are connected to meaning, not when they're just memorized. So instead of learning words by themselves, connect them to things in your life. For example, if you learn the word motivated, think about a moment when you felt motivated, maybe when you started a new class or a new hobby.
Yes, real-life connections are super powerful. I remember learning the word frustrated. I connected it to a time when I couldn't solve a puzzle and almost threw it across the room. That feeling was so strong that I never forgot the word.
I love that. And here's another big trick. Use the word out loud as soon as you learn it. Don't wait. Even if you're alone, say it. Make a sentence with it. Put it into your day.
Absolutely. People underestimate how powerful speaking is. When you say a word, you use your mouth, your ears, your brain, multiple senses. That strengthens your memory. For example, when I learned the word grateful, I said out loud, I'm grateful for my family, for my friends, and for coffee. And now that word is easy for me.
Yes. And speaking of senses, here's another trick. Use pictures. Our brains love images. If you learn the word bright, imagine the sun. If you learn the word heavy, imagine lifting a giant rock. And if you combined it with motion, it's even stronger. Like for jump, imagine yourself leaping over a river.
And if you want to make it even stronger, imagine something funny or exaggerated. Like for the word tiny, imagine a tiny elephant the size of your finger. The funnier it is, the better your memory will be. Our brains love stories, movement, and humor. It's like giving your memory a party.
Exactly. Your brain loves weird and funny things. Normal things, it forgets. Crazy things, it remembers forever. That's why you should make learning fun, not stressful. Add color, sound, or even silly voices.
And that brings us to one of my favorite techniques, making associations. For example, the word lazy. I remember it by picturing myself on a couch eating snacks and doing nothing. Associations make abstract words real and personal.
That's perfect. I also use associations a lot. For the word whisper, I imagine someone speaking softly in the library, and boom, I never forget it. Or for excited, imagine a puppy jumping up and down when it sees its owner. Instant memory.
And here's another trick that many learners forget. Learn words in pairs or groups. For example, big, small, fast, slow, buy, sell. Your brain loves opposites and categories. Even better, mix them into sentences. I bought a big book, but a small notebook. Boom, 2 words in one sentence.
Yes, and you can also group words by situation. If you like cooking, learn cooking words. Boil, fry, chop, slice, taste, delicious. When words are related, they are easier to remember. Or for travel lovers, airport, ticket, luggage, map, guide, adventure. Context matters.
Exactly, and learning words and context is so important. Instead of just learning enormous, learn a sentence like, the elephant is enormous. then it sticks, or for delicious. Try, this chocolate cake is delicious. Seeing the word in action helps your brain connect it to meaning.
Totally. I remember learning polite because I heard someone say, the waiter was very polite. I understood the situation and it became clear. And now, whenever I see a waiter, that word pops up immediately in my mind.
And that's why movies, podcasts, and real conversations are amazing for learning vocabulary. You see how words are really used. You also learn tone, emotion, and collocations, the words that naturally go together.
Yes, and learners shouldn't try to memorize a whole dictionary. Start with words that matter to you. If you like sports, learn sports vocabulary. If you like traveling, learn travel words. Relevance increases memory.
Definitely, relevant words stick faster because you actually need them. If you never need the word obituary, forget it for now. Focus on words you can use today, tomorrow, or in your favorite hobbies.
And here's another big thing. Review, but not too much at once. Space out your reviews. Review today, then tomorrow, then next week. This is called spaced repetition, and it works like magic. It's way better than cramming.
Yes, it's like watering a plant. Water it a little, often, not too much at once. And when you see your words grow in memory, it feels amazing.
And don't forget to use the word in real life. If you learn recommend, try using it with a friend. Can you recommend a movie? That one real conversation will help you remember more than writing the word 20 times. Real life practice beats repetition every time.
And if you don't have someone to talk to yourself. It's not strange. I do it all the time. I practice words while brushing my teeth or walking or eating breakfast. I'll say something like, today I feel productive. And that helps the word stick.
Yes, and talking to yourself is one of the best secret techniques. Nobody needs to hear you, and you get free speaking practice. You can even record yourself and listen later. That helps pronunciation too.
And here's a fun trick learners love. Use color coding. For example, write adjectives in blue, verbs in green, nouns in red. Then your brain starts to see patterns. Or highlight synonyms with one color and antonyms with another. Patterns make learning easier.
Yes, visual organization helps so much. And even better, write your own example sentences using different colors. That way your brain connects meaning, color, and context. Triple connection.
And we have to talk about this. Don't learn too many words in one day. Learn fewer, but learn them deeply. 5 to 8 words a day is perfect. Quality beats quantity.
Exactly. Even 5 to 8 words a day is amazing. After 1 year, that's thousands of words. And the best part, words you learned deeply will stay with you for life. Consistency is everything.
Consistency is the key. And here's another powerful technique. See, say, write. Look at the word, say it out loud, and write a sentence. 3 steps equals stronger memory. You can even add a drawing for extra power.
And here's something fun. Use the words creatively. Make jokes with the words. Write short stories. Use them in your social media posts. Creativity locks the word into your brain.
Yes, and don't worry if your sentence is simple. What matters is that you used the word. Usage builds mastery, not just recognition.
And finally, don't stress about forgetting. Forgetting is normal. Everyone forgets. Review, reuse, and relax. Treat mistakes as part of learning. Your brain is training, not failing.
Yes, vocabulary learning is a journey, not a one-day job. Slow, steady, and fun. Use these techniques consistently and you will see amazing progress. Add a little humor, a little color, and a lot of context, and words will stick like glue.
So, listeners, try these tricks today and watch how your vocabulary grows faster than ever. And remember, make it fun. Learning is an adventure.
And tell us in the comments, what new word did you learn today and how did you learn it? Share your stories. It's inspiring for other learners too.
Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English episodes. We have many tips coming your way.
Thank you all for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and enjoy discovering new words every day.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye.